हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं न्यू मैथ्स अहेड क्लास फोर्थ चैप्टर 1. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज लार्ज नंबर एंड टुडे वी विल सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज टाइम 4. Before solving this exercise, we should know the facts and figures of this exercise. So basically here we are seeing a table. ठीक है, consider the number. There are two numbers, 3 1 2. हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं न्यू मैथ्स अहेड क्लास फोर्थ चैप्टर 1. द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज लार्ज नंबर्स एंड टुडे वी विल सॉल्व एक्सरसाइज टाइम 4. बिफोर सॉल्विंग दिस एक्सरसाइज वी शुड नो सम फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. सो हेयर we can see, consider the numbers 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 3,56,768 and 1,89,999. Compare the lakhs place. So here what we are seeing, actually there are two numbers and here we will check which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, so what we are doing, actually we provide a table like 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, directly we can put number here. First number is this 3,56,000 and second number is given here 1,89,999. Okay, so here we compare. Basically we will check with the largest digit. Here largest digit is lakh, so we will see here 3 is greater than 1, so obviously 3,56,768 number will be greater than 1,89,999. Correct? Now we will move on exercise time 4. Now look at here. Here we will see question number A. Fill in the correct symbol greater than and smaller. We will go on question number 1. 32,606. Here 32,000. Here 32,706. What we are seeing here, basically 1's tenth. Starting we will go from the largest number, so 3 3 2 2, so there is no change. Here on the place of 106, on the place of 107, so 7 is greater than 6, obviously this number will be greater. Question number 2 पर आते हैं. Now 82,396, 81,396. As we know, on the place of 1000 here is 2, on the place of 1000 here is 1. 82 is greater than 81. Either you can say 82,000 is greater than 81, or you can say 2000 is greater than 1, because we are checking one place on one place. ठीक है, 1 to 1 we are checking, so 2 is greater than 1, so obviously this number will be big. Now move on. Question number 3. 18,346, 18,345, 18 same, 100 place same, here 10th place same, and here we are seeing 1st place is 6 and here is 5, so this will be now. Question number 4. 9,56,709 and here 4 lakhs, so 9 is greater than 4, obviously this number will be big. As I told you already, we will compare largest digit first. Here 8 lakhs, here 8 lakhs, here 78,000, here 78,000, here 3 on the place of 100, correct. Here 5 on the place of tens, but here 4, so this number will be big. Now question number 6. 3,19,632, 3,20,000, here is 20, here is 19, so this number will be big. Question number 7. 4,32,934, 4,32,300, यहाँ 100 के प्लेस पे 9, यहाँ 3 है, so obviously this number will be big. Question number 8. 5,32,970 and 5,31,972. Okay, so 32 and here is 31, so this number will be big. Move on. Question number 9. 6,90,841, 6,90,148, here on the place of 100 this is big, so this number will be big. Question number 10. 6,20,005, 6,20,050. देखिए here ones place 5 and here tens place 5, so this number will be big. Move on. Next question. Question number B. These are the statement problem. Okay, but basically we work on given word problem on the basis of digits and comparing. Question number B. Solve the given word problem. 1. Vikrant has rupees 7,50,000 in his saving account. Vikrant has 7,50,000 rupees in saving account, means he has to pay an advance amount of rupees 7,28,000 to book a flat in block A. Look at here, total money he have 7,50,000 and he want to pay for block A flat. How much amount? 7,28,000. So 7,20,000 is smaller than 7,50,000. Okay, so he can purchase flat in block A. Now, while he has to pay an amount of rupees 7,78,000 in block B as advance, and other flat he want to purchase, but the cost of that is 7,78,000. 7,78,000, and here the money he have 7,50,000, and the next another plot in block B has 7,78,000, means this cost is higher than what he having. Okay, in block B advance, which flat can he pay the advance for with the money he has flat in block A or block B? Here in the question we already compare. Block A has smaller value what he has, Vikrant has. Okay, and block B is costly because this is the 78,000, this is the 50,000, so he can purchase only flat in block A. But how we will write? We will solve in question number B. Question number 1, how we will solve it? Saving account rupees 7,50,000, pay for block A flat equal to rupees 7,20,000. Now is it visible? Yeah, 7,28,000. For block B he pay rupees 7,78,000. Vikrant can pay for block A because why he can pay? Flat, the value of flat A, here you can say flat A is smaller than value of flat B. Okay, you can write like this and give your answer. Question number 2. The cost of a car in a showroom is 8,55,600. Okay, a similar car in another showroom is rupees 9 lakh. Okay, the cost of a car in showroom is 8,55,600. Similar car in another showroom is rupees 9 lakh. Here you can see another showroom the car price is higher. Okay, 9 lakh is greater than 8,55,600. Which one is cheaper? So obviously first showroom is cheaper than another showroom. Which one should he buy? So he can buy the first car from first showroom. Okay, so how we will solve? Question 2. One showroom cost of car is 8,55,600 and other showroom cost of car is 9 lakh. Here showroom one car cost is smaller than other showroom car. Okay, here we can see the symbol smaller than and greater than, so showroom one car cost is smaller than another showroom car, so 8,55,600 value is smaller than 9 lakh. So answer will be he will buy first showroom car rupees 8,55,600. Correct? You can write like this. Question number 3. The number of views for my video is equal to the largest 6 digit. Largest 6 digit क्या हो जाएगा? On every digit we have 9 because 9 is the largest digit in ones. Okay, so value of 6 digit हो जाएगी 9 lakh 99,999. Correct? Said Vinita, how many views does Vinita's video have? Okay, how we will solve? Number of views equals to largest 6-digit number. So value will be 9,99,999. Correct? Question number 4. The largest cricket stadium in the world is Moitera Stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It can accommodate 1,32,000 people on a certain day. Only accommodate, they are having space only 1,32,000. On a certain day, 1,23,000 people come to see a match. Can all of them sit in the stadium? Yes. How we will solve? We will like stadium capacity equals to 1,32,000 people. Correct? Now certain day people come to see match equals to 1,23,000. So in digits 1,23,000. Stadium capacity is greater than people come to see match. It means 1,32,000 is greater than 1,23,000. So yes, stadium have capacity for accommodate of the people. Correct? Question number 5. The distance around the earth over the equator is 40,075 kilometer. Over the equator. The distance around the earth over the poles is 40,008 kilometer. Over the equator is 40,075. Over the pole 40,008. One's place 8 only and they are having 75 on the place of 10th. And once, which distance is greater? Is the earth a perfect sphere? No, earth is not a perfect sphere, or yes. So here we will solve question number 5. Distance around the earth over the equator is 40,075 kilometer. Distance around the earth over the pole equals to 40,008. Equator distance over equator is greater than over the pole. So 40,075 kilometer is greater than 40,008 kilometers. So and the another question, earth is perfect sphere? No, earth is not perfect sphere. So यहाँ पर आपकी एक्सरसाइज टाइम 4 कंप्लीट हो जाती है. अगर आपको मेरी टीचिंग स्टाइल अच्छी लगती है, आपको समझ में आता है और यू हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ इशू, यू कैन कमेंट मी. प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माई वीडियो एंड शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय.